What's up guys, Aryan here with Wired Hardware. Hope you guys are doing good and staying safe out there. And recently I received a graphics card, and not just any graphics card. This is an RTX 3080 Ti, specifically from EVGA. It's therefore the Win 3 Ultra Edition. So I thought, let's go ahead and build a PC and let's put this bad boy in it. Now, I already selected the components that'll be going inside this PC, and I'll go over it with you guys just so you guys can see what this computer is going to be made out of. For the chassis, we're going to be using Lian-Li's 011 Dynamic Razer Edition chassis. For the motherboard, we got ASUS's ROG MAXIMUS Apex, and we'll pair that up with an Intel 11900K CPU. Memory, we're going to be using Corsair Vengeance, and this will be a 32GB at a 3600 MHz frequency. Two M.2 SSD storages, one will be a 1TB, the second will be a 2TB. We got 9 Lian-Li Uni SL fans, which is going to be 120mm variation. Plus, we're going to use a KRAKEN Z73 for the CPU cooler. Now, to power everything up, we got EVGA's 1000 watt gold rated power supply. And to top that off, we're going to be using some streamer cables. One will be a 24 pin for the motherboard, and the second will be a triple 8 pin for the GPU. Now that you guys know what components are going in the PC, let's go ahead and build this bad boy, shall we? Alright guys, she is finished, she is done, and she is shining hard like a bunch of pearls. Now, let me tell you guys, this case is a beautiful case. The Razer Edition is no different than any Lian-Li 011 Dynamic chassis. It's the same concept, same thing, just the only difference is you got the bottom RGB lit up, kind of like an underglow, and also you have the light strip up in the front panel. Everything was repetition because I built in this case before, not this one specific, but in the model of the Lian-Li 011 Dynamics, and everything was smooth. There was really no issues that I encountered. Did the cables a little bit different this time. I brought them up from the top down to the GPU. As you guys can see, the streamer cables are all lit up. Got them matching the RTX 3080 Ti, and I'm really happy. This really looks good. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this build, let me know down below what you guys think. Make sure you guys hit that like button and that subscribe button, guys. And if you want more content coming your way, make sure you guys hit that bell, and I'll be coming out with more content very soon. All right, till next time, guys.